what do we do, right? Because the next step is like, okay, great, you're telling me I'm going flat. But like, how the heck do I fix that? And so there are a couple major things that I want to talk about. First and foremost, the biggest thing to check in with is your breathing, right? When we breathe into our chest, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I'm a big advocate of doing diaphragmatic breathing. Essentially, some people call it stomach breathing. Your diaphragm does go around, and let me just show you a quick picture of that, just so that you can see for yourself. Because I hate when people are like, yes, the diaphragm, and it's like, wait. So as you can see, yes, it's a big muscle, and it sits below your lungs, and it does go to the back. But you can check out another video where I really break down diaphragmatic breathing. Be sure to check that out if you are not doing that, but I won't address that here in the sense of go through the exercise. What I will say is if you are having problems with your pitch, this would be something I would check in with. Because if you are breathing into your chest, right, you tend to tighten things. So if I'm doing a you're going to be more apt. You can kind of hear it tends to be more of a throaty sound. You can hear the pitch wavering, and it's not comfortable. Whereas when I hit I use good support here, right? You can hear the big difference in that. So again, if I'm breathing into my chest, I can kind of fight my way, and it doesn't always mean that it's going to go off, but it's more likely to go off and to have issues when I'm breathing into my chest. So that's why I'm a huge advocate of making sure you master your breathing, is because if we don't get that down, it's our energy source. We can lead ourselves down a path to tend to be flat singers. And it just doesn't sound that great. It doesn't sound as clean. It doesn't sound as good. It doesn't sound in sync with the music. So that is the number one thing I want for you to check.